Today, I met someone amazing. Her name is Miss Vee, and she's also a content creator just like me. But her story is different. 10 years ago, she left Zimbabwe for South Africa in search of better lives. But now, she's back. She left her village as a young woman and returned to find a childhood home falling apart. Instead of giving up, she's doing something incredible. She's starting over from scratch. Why would someone live a city life to rural areas? Well, her story might change the way you think about homes. How was life in South Africa?
Life in South Africa is not easy. I'll be honest with you, life in South Africa is hard. Because of many things. It can be because of money, of course, safety, and of course home affairs.
Right.
So, you're looking for money, at the same time you're scared of matsotsi.
That's true.
And we are also scared of home affairs.
Wow.
So imagine just got 3 and only 1. So it's not easy.
Wow. But when you say in terms of money, I've seen most of the people in South Africa, they'll be posting in KFCs, they'll be posting in different cars. Is it really about money, or maybe there's another thing that they are portraying that we don't see with our eyes?
I wouldn't want to say all of them is fake life, but most that I know, sometimes it's just fake life. But sometimes, you can request even per Uber.
Yeah.
And then, you can request even a fancy car. With a filter for us ladies, it is on with a makeup on with a fancy car. Katora filter, and also motor is there. People hire cars, and even Uri cannot see Shanda number. It's easy because Kubasa sometimes when mansions they've got those big houses.
Wow, nice.
So Kwaza drama photos, even in swimming pool, you see.
That's true.
So I see just attention as you reach as a life about social media, life you in reality.
Okay. So what made you make this decision to come here?
To be honest, I was tired of staying in South Africa.
How long have you been in South Africa?
More than 10 years.
More than
I've
10
lost
years.
count, but more than 10 years.
Wow. So have you built in South Africa, or you are now starting here?
No, in South Africa I don't have anything. I don't have anything in South Africa. I'm just renting, I'm just renting, and sometimes you'll be moving from one house to another renting, breaking even those furnitures that you had bought. So that is why I decided to come and settle down at least on one place.
Yeah.
Even if it's a small thing, because in South Africa we can stay even in Mumukuku, and even in Mumukuku you can't tell that I'm from Mukuku.
Yeah.
Because the weather is cool, skin will be fine, but in South Africa
this is a big house.
It's a big house.
Wow.
It's a big house.
So is there any plan here that you're planning that maybe I should start doing this or starting this? Or?
A lot. So you see this side, I'm planning to put Zimbabwe Mapam this side.
All right.
Yeah, of course with the accommodation, because I've been seeing lots of people actually, if you want to visit you,
Yeah, that's true. That's true. People,
and I also do philanthropy. So I want to make sure because we have any problem, at least there will be enough accommodation, And I'm not help if I'm able to help. At least I'm not share accommodation. That's true. At least I'm not share accommodation.
That's true. And Tombot, there is someone who's in South Africa or maybe UK who want to do the same thing. Is there any procedure that you say, maybe if you do this, you can find where, because you have been here for long, but is that you shift, right? Is there any way that you can say, maybe you can find land, maybe you can do this, maybe you can do it? Because there are many people who want the same opportunity, but they don't have information or something. Yeah.
So what I want to tell people is land yakazara muZimbabwe. There's land everywhere.
That's true.
Pane zvakambotaura nasekund zvokuti pachitupa chako handi ID number yako. Tupa chako icho unotoziva kuti wakazvarwa kwazvimba here, wakazvarwa kudema here. Iwo unotoziva sabhuku yekumusha kwako ndiwo wakashandisa pachitupa. Unoendera sabhuku ivavo wauziva kuti sabhuku ndoda nzvimbo. Sabhuku akati hana nzvimbo wotoziva kuti sabhuku ndakutogara nemupamba panapa. Because ndiri mwana wenyu. Sabhuku ivavo vanofanirwa itori right yako yekuti uite sei upiwo nzvimbo yako nasabhuku. Kana zviri zvekumarurals.
Wow. So is there a way or you are planning to drill a bore or what?
Not now because of yasatina homwe dzichiri dete mongoziva tichangouya asati atombone kana mubhedha asati apfuurira imba saka mubhedha nonzi bore is something very huge kuti nditaure nezvacho zvinezvi. So saka izvezvi tikumboita chikumbira mvura kumaneighbors uko nekunochera mvura kuchibhorani uko, but as time goes on kana kuri kunzi Mwari vazopindurawo kana kuti neimwe nzirawo zvinoisa bore toda bore maybe nemasolar.
All right. I think with that
Atanze kupanya runaka.
Asina banga kasekunda. Asatani kana banga kana.
No banga no chi. Starting life for the first time.
And it's very heavy.
Kana chirema ringiri chere.
Is it not hot but?
It's not hot.
Right, now
it's just very heavy.
Sorry, nothing frozen, battle. No go battle. We do.
Yes, what's the name? Right, please.
I'm going to come. Buddy. No. I don't know. No, it's okay. So video running. I
and it's just bouncing. Oh. So.
No, kwanya tuda kuona content.
Samanje sizo naita mali. Unozo liwedzera kuri panya. Yenda.
Chintaulila. I'm a one.
Ndaravureni pakati hai.
Oh, dambu.
Yo no jane mozi. Ndesa jane mozi ndikana manzi. Jane mozi.
Anzi jane mozi.
Kwere utsenga. Ngomeza.
Ngomeza mozi.
Indian soft life. Kwarale munori bati rakadai sei.
Kwarale toro ha $5. Ini kwanga ndogara toro ha $5.
Nenda restaurant expensive onzi kadikidika. $10. Sometimes kurorwa nemozi.
Ndari nora ndi stress ekuske no.
But I think it would taste good then.
Ratanga odarga ne.
Ratanga kugwera. Oh. Asinya ma temperatures.
Andari are uzga. Ndara tosha zokuita.
Onera vakabata chiti.
Mlinga mitoti mori pedzere mda.
Cha,
ndara mukusipa mozi. Ko ini nomamati mukumedza ndakumedza ipakuti.
Ona.
Nzenzazo wandi.
Mana.
Ona zaitika. Ini ndikadai ndikatora each piece ndikadai so. Each handine mozi kwa. Ndongoita ichi. Because ina amwe handizodzenga, pana amwe andotadze kutsenga. So anongoti chiringira kwanisa kurasika unongorasa isina wainongoita.
Ndari pamwe imapinedza.
Mira. Isu takanzi vanhu vese ade kumusha. Saka kumusha vari madhodho.
Mashina ya mabo.
Ya kuni.
Saita.